face surgery but with makeup. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing face surgery but with makeup. It's gonna be super exciting, trust me you guys. और आपके इतने पैसे भी नहीं लगेंगे जितने face surgery में लगते हैं. We're gonna have a lot of fun, a lot of techniques that I'm gonna teach you जो मेरे पे work करती हैं और मैंने अभी तक जो सीखी हैं. Like ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो मेरे पे work कर रही हैं techniques या फिर जैसे shapes मैं बनाऊंगी फेस पे वही आपके लिए भी वर्क करे. टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग कि अगर मेरे नोज के हिसाब से आई एम डूइंग दिस सर्जरी देन यू गोटा टेक केयर कि आपके नोज के हिसाब से कैसे होगा. तो आई विल टीच यू सम पॉइंट्स हियर एंड देयर दैट आई हैव लर्नड थ्रू माय एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू शेयर विद यू द टेक्निक्स दैट आई हैव लर्नड सो फार. And if you're new here, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm gonna share with you each and every detail that I like to do before getting ready. I have not spilled out all my secrets when I do my makeup, so I'm really excited to share these tiny details with you that I like to do. So firstly, skin prep is very important. Now skin prep can actually change the way your skin is looking. अगर आपने suppose skin prep नहीं किया और आपने face wash नहीं किया या फिर आपने moisturize नहीं किया, you're just directly putting on the primer, it will not help you to lift your face. Now I have some techniques that I'm going to share with you जिससे आपकी skin plump लग सकती है और glowy लग सकती है. और अगर आपकी skin पहले ही अच्छी लगेगी then makeup और भी अच्छा लगेगा. So the first step is to always wash your face, and for that I've used the Dermawave Hydra Cleanser. I've been using this and I'm like almost done with this bottle. I need to restock on this, but yeah, I use this to wash my face and my skin has been improved so well. I love the way my skin is looking right now. And the next step, oh my god, this step has changed my makeup game because this ingredient is amazing. तो मेरे पास इतनी knowledge नहीं थी ingredient के बारे में, but now that I know this hyaluronic acid, absolutely not sponsored, use this like 2 drops here. It just makes your skin plump, juicy in seconds, and it will just fill in your wrinkles or your fine lines that you have on your skin. Like I love this. Like this ingredient has changed my makeup game. It just makes everything so much better, and it's the first step to your face surgery with makeup and skincare, we can call it. I don't usually use this on regular basis. I only use this when I'm applying makeup and stuff. So before makeup, it's an amazing thing. Just try it yourself, you'll love it. And never ever miss your moisturizer after hyaluronic acid because it can actually suck in the moisture from your skin if you don't apply the moisturizer after it. So for that I'm going to use the Nutriderm Vitamin E lotion. This one, you guys know I love it, especially before makeup. This is amazing. So I'm just going to rub it between my hands and alright, so now you can see my skin is prepped nicely. I'm going to use this Plum Lip Balm. It's Candy Melt Lip Balm in the flavor Melon Bubble Gum. I absolutely love it. It's so hydrating on the lips. I like to take very little amount. So next I'm going to do my eyebrows. Now for the eyebrows, I have only one thing to suggest you, is to straighten your eyebrows. Like nowadays straight eyebrows are really a thing. Like पहले होता था कि हम आज eyebrows रखते थे ऐसे करके ऐसे, you know, but now it's like a very Kendall eyebrow thing. Like, you know, keep it straight. It will make your face look lifted, like you can see it right now. But I like cut my eyebrows from here. पहले मेरी भी arch थी यहाँ पे, but मैंने वो cut कर दिया and it looks like straight. That's one thing that I've learned so far, and I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quick and I'll be right back. So I'm done with my eyebrows. You can see मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़े hair like strokes बना दिए ताकि थोड़ा gap कम हो जाए. I may look like an angry bird right now, but it will come together when the whole makeup look is done. That is for the eyebrows, all done. मतलब इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा face lifting का या फिर कुछ ऐसे surgery techniques नहीं है. It's just that you have to make it straight like that, so it will look more lifted and your eyes will also look lifted. Next up is priming, and for that I'm going to use this Lakme Undercover Gel Primer. I really like this primer because it just covers up your pores, minimizes your pores. It just makes a very good base for your makeup. You can see how it controls the shine here. We don't want our makeup to look oily or very shiny, especially on your T-zone. Don't forget to apply primer. I like to take my primer sometimes under my eyes because there are some lines there. Naturally, we all have those lines, so I like to take my primer underneath just to prep it for the eyeshadow that's gonna come, or the concealer. Now let the fun part begin. I'm gonna use the concealer first, and for the concealer I have MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. I have it in the shade NC42. This was sent to me by the brand. I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes. Just gonna go in there. By the way, this is me first time trying this concealer. I haven't tried this before. First we used to just make a triangle, but we don't want to do that now because triangle बनाने से आपका और fuller लगता है face. So we just have to put the concealer right in here and in the inner corners because ये area बहुत dark होता है आपके face पे. On the outside, this will help in lifting the face. On the nose, the lips, where there is pigmentation or something like that. Alright, so this is a very crucial step. We have to use a 272 brush which like fits in all the nooks and corners of my face, and I love to blend out with this. So I'm just gonna get started. You see how it just fits in every part of your face. Don't forget your inner corners of the eyes, very important. You see how nice and lifted my face looks on this side as compared to this one. So yeah, just blending on the places. I'm not spreading the concealer, just blending it where I've applied it. This concealer is already starting creasing under my eyes. Like most of the concealer does that to me, but I think the Sugar concealer and the e.l.f. concealer does not crease on my eyes that much, but this one is creasing, but that's fine. It's totally normal for the concealers to happen. Now whatever is left on my brush, I'm just gonna put it here because this is just the base. We are not done yet. We look really horrible right now, but it will come together. Trust the process. The main step is to lift your face with contouring. Cut out that double chin, cut out those cheekbones, cut out that nose. Just do the surgery with this step. And for this very crucial step in our surgery, you know, in our surgery where we are gonna use our tools, these are our tools. So this one is in the shade F17 and this is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick. I'm gonna start with my cheeks, and how I like to go with it is whenever you apply contour, just take your reference line, that is your cheekbone, and put it higher than you usually would. You just gotta blend it upwards, and then on the forehead, blend it downwards, and do the same on this side as well. That is how our forehead and cheekbones will look cohesive and lifted. Now double chin. I have a lot of it right now. I'm working on it, but right now we want surgery, so we're not gonna regret of the fact that we have on our face. I'm just gonna take the contour from here and just cut out that double chin. Wherever you see the line, just cut it out like that and take it downwards. So it will cut your double chin and it will give you a very sharp jawline. You can see my face already looks slimmer. Now for the nose, I like to, since my face is asymmetrical, half side alag alag lagti hai meri, so what I like to do is, I think my nose on this side is a little bit more puffier, so I like to slim it down. और इस वाली side से मुझे ठीक लगता है, मतलब perfect लगता है almost. I'm gonna take this line as my reference, like the one where my eyebrow is starting, like this, and same goes on this side. I'm gonna make a straight line. We don't want to use our already shadows that we can see. We just want to manipulate that shadow. So जहाँ पे भी आपको shadow दिख रही है, उसके एक step आगे को line draw करनी है. There, perfect. एंड नाउ ये वाली साइड ज़्यादा पफियर है, तो मैं थोड़ा एक स्टेप नहीं 2 स्टेप क्लोजर लाइन ड्रॉ करती हूँ और इस पर एक स्टेप क्लोजर, लाइक दैट. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू द लोअर पार्ट, वी वांट आवर नोज टू लुक लिफ्टेड, लाइक मतलब थोड़ा लिफ्टेड ऐसे को. सो आई एम गोइंग टू line here, so it will help to, you know, make it lifted, slimmer and also symmetrical. So yeah, that is it. And for the lips, I like to go ahead on my bottom lip. We can already see the difference in our features, right? Also, I like to sometimes go ahead on my eyes as well. It's just lifting your eyes. Just write down in the comments how many times I said surgery in this video. And now the other trick is when you're blending it out, how और कौन सी way में, कौन से motion में, किस side पे इसको blend करना है. That is another very crucial step. For the blending, I'm gonna take the same brush that I used for concealing, like to blend out my concealer, because this is a perfect shape to blend my contour out. And you gotta use a cream contour that is gonna blend easily, otherwise you're in trouble. So जो cheek contour है, just blend it upwards. And you don't want your hairline और आपकी skin का gap नहीं आना चाहिए बीच में, so blend it in your hairline also. And the forehead contour in your hairline. And out your jawline contour downwards. Now make sure you're not filling in the gap in between the lines. Just blend your nose contour downwards here. So once you're happy with the blending, now we can move on to the next step, that is going to be foundation. And for the foundation, I have a new product again. I have this MAC mini foundation that they sent me. It's so cute. Like, this bag is so cute. You can see how cute is that. And we have this mini foundation, and this is how the bottle looks like. This one is in the shade NC42. I'm going to take a stippling brush like this and take the foundation. And this is me, I think, second time using this foundation, and I love it. I'm just gonna blend it out. And my base looks so good. And my face looks so slimmer. You can see the before and this is the after. Still we have to go through some things, but wow. So now I'm again gonna take the concealer and use like very little amount of this. Yeah, so I'm gonna blend this concealer out real quick, and I'm gonna use the sponge this time, not the brush, because brush हमने contour उसी से blend किया था, so I'm gonna use the sponge and blend this out. That is blended. Now it's time to set our face. And for that, today, for a change, I am not going to use a loose powder. I have this compact from MAC again. Today I'm using all MAC products. And this one is in the shade NC41. The OG compact has a puff right there. So this has coverage. I'm just gonna look up and set. Yes, it has coverage. Excites me so much. This is truly amazing to like shape your nose. Can you see that? I love it. I love it so much. And it mattifies so nicely. I see myself using this like almost every time I apply makeup. So that's great. So now that we're done with our cream products and we have also set our cream products, now is the turn for the powders to come in and to like make the colors a little bit more enhancing. So I'm going to use this one product which is new. I'm super excited to try this one. This is the K Beauty Contour and Highlighter Pro Palette, and this is how it looks like. So they have this highlighting shade which can be used as your compact, then they have this bronzer shade, and this one is the contour shade. Use these two shades and this one first to bronzer, and I'm gonna take that on angular brush. So it's the bronzer, and the shade is like so good for my skin tone, but I'm not sure if you're like lighter than my skin tone, this can be your contouring shade or something like that. Today we are like very bronzed and summery, and I like that, and I really like this palette, but it's not universal for sure. For the blush, I have this K-Beauty blush. This is a different shade, like I've not tried this one. This is in the shade Sweet Salmon, and it looks like this. It's a very cool toned pink blush. I'm super excited to see how it looks. I'm just gonna take a little bit because I know the K-Beauty blushes are very pigmented. Start right above where I applied my contour, here. This will like lift your face up, and it's so pigmented. Need to blend this out now. I love the shade. So what I like to do with my blushers is to take it from the side of my nose here and spread it towards my temples. It makes my face look lifted because I have like chubby cheeks, so I like to enhance that feature of mine. But in case you want more lifted effect, you can just apply it here, and don't take it forward here, just apply it here and a little bit on my nose and my chin, and literally all over my face. Before applying the highlighter, which is a kind of a very crucial step in face lifting, and you know, it defines the face very nicely, because जहाँ पे light hit करेगी आपके face पे, वहाँ पे आप highlighter को apply करोगे, तो it will like make your skin look glowy, lifted, and you can like really manipulate other people and, you know, catfish. So I'm gonna set my face first using the MAC Fix Plus in its original variant, and I'm just gonna shake the bottle, spray my face. Let that semi dry, और जब ये semi dry हो जाएगा तब मैं highlighter को apply करूँगी, तो उससे ज़्यादा सुंदर और glowy और अच्छा लगता है highlighter. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for it to semi dry. So for the highlighter, I'm going to use the e.l.f. 24K Gold highlighter. The reason why I'm using this one is because this is a very subtle highlighter. Wow. Since my skin was semi dry, so that's why this is looking blinding, but it will fade away a little. I absolutely love the base product, except the concealer so far is like the worst. I didn't like it that much. I'll have to give it another shot, but otherwise the base makeup looks so good. I'm now going to just apply some mascara, and I'll be right back. Such a beautiful, summery, fresh, nude, everyday makeup look, but everyday makeup base nahi hai ye. It's like a base for events, for occasions, which will look very sculpted. You'll look very snatched. If you want, you can do the eye makeup, of course, but I did not want to make this video so long, so it was about it. Just take your highlighter again, and never skip this step because it just makes a very tiny but huge difference. Highlight your eyebrow bone. You see, it just makes it look even more sharper and lifted. Inner corners पे लगाने से आपकी eyes बड़ी लगेंगी. It's time to get those lip fillers, and for that I'm going to use 3 products, and the first one I'm going to use is the MAC lip liner. This one is in the shade Chicory. So I like to cover my cupid's bow because मेरे lips बहुत thin है, so I'm gonna just make a line over it. If you want, if you don't like the shape of your lips, मतलब circle में नहीं आपको चाहिए, तो what you can do is you can actually go ahead and make like a W or a cross and do the same thing that I'm doing. So I'm just gonna do that, and now I'm gonna follow my natural lip line. And for the lower lip, I'm gonna take it way too low, like you'll be scared to see how low I can take it. And now I'm gonna just follow my natural lip line again. and that contour that we did in the start, that also helped. And now I'm just gonna blend it in. If you think you messed it up a little, you can definitely go ahead with your concealer again and just sharpen the edges if you want. I like it to be blended, so I'm just gonna keep it this way. For the lipstick, I have this one from Kiro, Peachy Nude. The shade is Peachy Nude. Absolutely love the way it looks. So now if you want, you can leave your makeup like this, or you can add a little bit of gloss because this lipstick is matte. So I'm gonna actually go ahead with the gloss today. I never put glosses, but glosses can actually make your lips look more plumper and juicier. So I'm gonna use this one from MAC. This is called Lip Gloss. Add it in the center. We're done with the look. This is the final look. That was the final look, and my base looks so good, so glowy, lifted. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video now.